Hi everyone, my name is Jordan and I'm one of the customer success managers here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to walk you through groups in GoProfiles. So if you're on the dashboard, you can see groups over here on the left-hand side. Groups are really great because it makes it so that way if you share a hobby with anyone in your company, you can be a part of a group where you can collaborate, talk about your hobby, anything that you have in common. This is really great to get to know others in your company that maybe you wouldn't talk to on a day-to-day basis, or maybe they're on a different team. But if you share a common interest, you could be a part of a group with them. So, for example, this is a group that I'm a part of. We have a culture committee here, and it shows what this group is about, gives some information, the members of the group. You can also add any resources that are related to your group, and if you have discussion channels within Slack. It will also tell you where the members of this group live, so I can see where everyone is at within the country. But let's go back and find groups. So all of the groups that are available within your company will be listed here. You can go ahead and scroll by, see if any of them pique your interest. Let's say that I am really into climbing. I see that there's a group for that and I want to join it. I can see in this group that there is a couple of members, and from here I can join this group. And then I can also add members. Maybe I have someone on my team who I know is really into climbing. I want to go ahead and add them to this group. You could do that there. But let's say that you don't find a group that you're looking for. I'm really interested in fishing and I don't see that here. I can go ahead and create a group for anyone within my company to join. So from here, I will go ahead and give it a group name as well as select the type. So you can choose whether it's an employee resource group or a hobby interest group, a bunch of different selections. I'm going to go ahead and do hobby and interest. You can also add a group photo to it. And then from here, once I create, I can go ahead and add members to this group, as well as it will be publicly available on the groups page for anyone to add if they share this hobby or interest with me. From there, I also wanted to show that you can see it on your profile as well. So let's say you stumble upon someone's profile, you can see under here what groups they're a part of. So this is great because it helps you to get to know members of your company, what interests they may have, and if you share any common hobbies. This is a great conversation starter and helps with culture within your company. So that is everything on groups. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team.